clothes taking forever to dry. Let's fix that lint trap. If your Kenmore dryer's lint trap isn't working, don't worry. This is a common and easy fix. First, unplug your dryer for safety. Next, pull out the lint trap and check for any visible buildup. Take a soft brush, or even an old toothbrush, and gently clean off any lint stuck on the screen. Still clogged? Wash the lint trap with warm, soapy water, then dry it completely before putting it back. Sometimes, the slot where the lint trap sits gets gunked up too. Use a vacuum with a narrow nozzle to carefully suck out any leftover lint from the slot. If the lint trap looks damaged or warped, it might be time to grab a replacement. Just search your model number online to find the right fit. Finally, always remember to clean the lint trap before every load. This simple habit keeps your dryer running better and helps prevent fires. So the next time your Kenmore dryer isn't working right, check the lint trap first. You'll save time, money, and get back to dry, fluffy laundry fast.